Hello, everybody at Empowering You. Right, I've got an opportunity to answer the question: what was my first job and what did I learn about it? Right, wasn't really my first job, but it was probably the second or third job. Was the mine. We worked in the mines 27 years. But yes, what did I learn about it? Discipline. Discipline. The mine has ranks. You've got the miner, the showboss, the mine overseer, the manager, and the general manager. And what did I learn? You got to obey orders. Now, let's just say you're a miner. Yes, you've got the people under you, so they respect you. But guess what? You've got the people above you, the showbosses and the uh, um, mine managers and the mine overseers, so you must respect them. And what did I learn? Do to others what you want them to do to you. That is also scripture in the Bible. Do to others what you want them to do to you. You treat a person well, he will treat you well. Or not even that person, but others will treat you well. You got to treat a person with respect, and in turn, you will gain respect. So that is what I learned in a mine. There, you've got to never look highly, never think you are better than anyone else. That's also a scripture. You know, when everyone got their blasting certificates in 1992, you get the green hat, the called a skoko in Whanagalo. Now everyone thinks now they're on top of the world and now they can boss the team leaders around and they can boss the people around. No, I was never like that. Even though I got my blasting certificate, I knew that they are there much longer than I am. And when there was a problem on the ground, I asked them, the team leader, what do you think we should do in this situation? I didn't say, I'm the miner, I'm telling you what you must do in this situation. No. I asked the team leader, what do you think we must do in this situation? And he told me, better than anyone else could have. If I went there with a attitude, an ego and everything, and I'm a miner and you're just a team leader, then although he knew how to fix a situation because he was there for many more years than I was, but he won't help you because you're the miner and you're the one giving the orders. But in this case, he said, I suggest this and this and this and this. I said, okay, let's go for it. And he was I gained so much respect from these team leaders by humbling myself. That's the other thing. Never think yourself as higher than anybody else, and humble yourself. You can be right on top. You can be management position. Humble yourself because you can still learn from the lowest person. You can learn a lot of things from the janitor working in a company. You don't have to learn from the managers. The janitor will tell you this, and that. So enter the working place, enter the environment. Those of you that are starting work with a humble attitude, with the attitude of I'm willing to learn. I'm not here because I know all. You will never know all. I'm here because I'm willing to learn. And you'll see that doesn't matter what situation, mining or office work or accounting or any work that you apply for, be humble, be willing to sacrifice your time, be willing to do things that aren't your job. You can't say, that's not my job, that's not what I get paid for, because bosses listen. If you say, they ask you to do something, do it. Do it. Even if you're in top position, do it, because you will gain respect from others, and in turn, people will help you. So what did I learn? I learned a lot of these things in a mine. Be humble. Be willing to learn. Help people. There's a lot of people where you can see they battling. Don't let them battle on their own. This is a very short time that we are living on planet Earth. Help people, make the world a better place. And that is what my 2 cents worth is. Bye-bye, everybody.